Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily import a .ipynb on Jupyter. So let's say we have a file .ipynb file and we need to import it in Jupyter. That means a Jupyter notebook in Jupyter itself. So how we can do it? Here you can see right now we have files on a desktop. Here it is, Amit1. But let's say we have another file, amit2.ipynb on in D drive. How we can import this file here? For that, after reaching here, just click on upload. Reach the same file D drive and here it is. Select it and click on open. Here you can see, click on upload. Uploading. Here it is, we have uploaded it. Now I'll click here. You can see the link here. amit2.ipynb is now uploaded in the same directory and here it is. You can see here the following D drive has been imported to desktop directory. Here is the path. Okay guys, so in this video we saw how we can easily import Jupyter Notebook .ipynb file in our already created project working directory. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.